Welcome to Soft Reviewed. In this video, we are going to take a look at Strell. It's an SEO optimization platform where you get like three modules like audit, and audit can be used for optimizing your existing page, and the content editor is for creating an optimized content using the NLP keywords. LCKR is for low competitive keyword research. In the first part, I have already covered audit. So if you are new here, please watch the first part in order to see how the audit works. And now we are going to take a look at the content editor. This is mainly used if you want to write an SEO optimized content, and if you want to know what keywords that needs to be included in your article, you can use this. So content editor is where you come in order to actually start getting ideas about the terms that you want to use in your article. So if you want to start from scratch, if you want to start writing an article, this is where you should come and enter your main keyword here. So for this example, I can try to write an article on Surfer SEO review. So Surfer SEO is also a similar tool that we use to write article using AI and keyword research, etc. So just for an example, let's give this keyword, and you can play with these settings like before. Like you can select the city that you want or the state, and you can select the language and the device, and you can also NLP is also always on. So I don't know why we have this option if it's always on, but here, yes, it's showing that NLP is on. So that's the main focus. We need to find the NLP keyword or keywords that Google used to find the relevance to a particular seed keyword that we give. So yeah, just click on create content editor, and it will start doing the research based on the top ranking website, and it will take like 1 credit to get 1 report, and you can see that it's in progress. You also have the option to add tag here. This is just blocking the tag. I can just show you that I can create tag. For example, this is for my website review. So if I create this tag, you can see this tag here, and I can click on this plus sign and add this tag here. And as you can see, the tag is added here, and you can filter just by that tag as well. So if you have multiple websites, and if you are using content editor for creating new articles, then it's an easy way to organize. Let's just click on view the report. This is how the content editor looks like. You have the option to add like H6 tags. You can add colors, you can upload image, you can give link, you can give quotes, you can undo and redo option is also provided. So you have like a basic editor here, and this is where you get all your keyword. If you click here, you can see it found like 231 related keywords that we can use for this article, and these are all the keywords that it found for us. And you have like, you can hide the optimized terms and partially optimized terms and not used term. So that's really good. You can see the title that others are using, the H1 tags that we need to use. This is the report here, and you can see the brief here as well. So how the competitors are using all these keywords. You can see the top competitors title, the H2 tags of the competitors using the H3 tags, and the people asked is also there, and any related searches that's related to the main keyword, and the top competitors title. You can also create notes and save it here. and use it while writing the article. There is no AI writer built in here, and you can also import an article from a URL. So just for an example, let's see, like if you click on Surfer SEO review, and then this article comes first. So let's just copy the link and see how well it's optimized. If you want to see that, you can do that as well. So just click on apply. So this is the top ranking article. That's optimized, and we have like lot of optimizations that we can do now. And so you can see the suggested paragraph length is around 5,000 words, and this article is only having like 2,863 words. So this is like a good overview of optimizations that we can do. And the green color is like perfectly optimized, and this yellowish color is like saying that we have not used all these keywords. It's all showing 0, and the recommended number is 1. So that's where we can add these keywords and bring the score really up. And if you only want to see not used term, then you can see that here as well. So we can focus on these keywords and start writing that. And let's just go on all terms. And for the H1, we need to add these keywords. The H2, we need to add all these keywords in our H2 tag. I think if we add all these as the H2, then the score will even go up higher here. So, and once you are happy, you can export it as a doc. You can see. So you can see the competitors overview over here, and the content score. And if you want to manually add this one also, you can always add by toggling the data, and it will refresh the data based on the selection. And you also have the option to share this as a link. I have shared this, I have copied this link, and will open a new incognito tab and see how it's done. So if you want to share your article with your team, you can share this URL, or to your client, you can use this URL. Here you can also add your own data. If you want, you can limit the words to like 4,000 or 2,000. Optimization will reflect based on this information that you have selected. So you get complete control over the optimizations that you can do with this. Let's just take this exact URL and see the report from Newronwriter. In order to test that out, we'll start with a new query, and I'll use the same keyword SEO Surfer review, and I'll click on next. So I'm just trying to import the same article and seeing the score here. So I just want to select the correct competitors that I selected from Strell. Now I am just doing the exact I'm selecting the exact competitors both in Strell and in Newronwriter, and making sure it's like a fair comparison so that the data fed is equal. in order to get the most accurate results. Both of these are different. Like it's the same article. I have selected the same competitors, but the content score is like still showing 47 here, and it's showing that it's like really optimized. And mind you, this is the first ranking page or first ranking article on Google. So I believe I need to give weight to what Newronwriter is saying rather than like what Strell is saying, because for Strell 47 is good enough to be on the first position on the first page, and here it's saying like 81. You need that touch the green so that the score is more like 81, not to be on the first page. As you can see, the Newronwriter is better when it comes to like optimizing the content, but this tool is actually mainly bought this tool because of its like LCKR. So this is where we do the low competition keyword research. If you want to buy the lifetime deal, you can go here, and the pricing is like $59, and you will get 5000 SERP credits per month and 30 keyword reports. And also for the plan 2, you get 60 audits and 60 low competitive keyword reports per month and 10,000 LC SERP credits per month. And you can also have your share it with other users. You can add up to 2 more users. And for the third plan, it's like $177, and you can add up to 10 users, and you get 90 LC credits and 15,000 SERP credits per month. So you can also stack up to 10 codes, which will that will take one-time payment to $590. Add up to 50 user as well. So I'll add the link in the description. So please check that out if you are interested, and if you have used it before, do share your feedback. And I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.